On the off chance that you're searching for Algorand cost expectation scourge for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Algorand Algo will go from here on out, we will examine the previous costs of Algorand Algo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Algorand outline. Algorand is a public blockchain stage that was made to address versatility and security issues in other blockchain frameworks. It was established by Silvio Micali, a Turing Grant-winning PC researcher, and sent off in June 2019. The Algorand group comprises of experienced experts from different ventures, including blockchain, money, and network protection. A few vital elements of Algorand include versatility. Algorand utilizes an agreement calculation called unadulterated confirmation of stake, PPOS, that permits it to handle exchanges at a high throughput, making it reasonable for enormous scope applications. Security. Algorand is intended to be secure against assaults by pernicious entertainers, incorporating those with critical figuring power. Decentralization. Algorand is a decentralized stage, meaning it isn't constrained by any single element. This guarantees that the organization is impervious to restriction and misrepresentation. Algorand has various expected applications, including inventory network, the board, advanced character, resource following, and decentralized finance DeFi. It has likewise been utilized as the hidden stage for the improvement of various decentralized applications dApps in these and different regions. We anticipate future Algorand cost expectations. Algo estimate by applying profound man-made brain power helps specialized examination on the past value information of Algorand. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Algo coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Algorand market cap, Algorand volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Algorand value expectation synopsis. Algorand cost estimate proposes a chance of Algo exchanging between $3,257 to $2,770 in 2025. Long-haul examination recommends that Algorand cost might actually flood to $171.08 by 2050, with a possible reach somewhere in the range of $161.50 and $184.98. Algorand Algo is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $258 constantly 2030. The cost of one Algo would reach as high as $132.68 by 2040. With the ongoing cost of $0.1860, Algorand holds its ground on the lookout. Algorand value expectation 2024. The cost of one Algorand is supposed to reach at least degree of $22.87 in 2024. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $605 with the typical cost of $22.59 all through 2024. Algorand value expectation 2025. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $257 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $770 with the typical conjecture cost of $347. Algo value figure for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2026 the cost of Algorand is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0.48 in 24. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of $5.602 with the typical exchanging worth of $49.58 in USD. Algorand Algo value forecast 2027. Algorand cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.7219 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Algo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.8191 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.7417. Algorand value forecast 2028. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Algorand is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $103. The Algo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $126 with the typical worth of $107. Algorand value forecast 2029. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.49. The algo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.79 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.54. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2.07 in 2030. The Algorand cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.58 with the typical cost of $2.15 all through 2030. Algorand Value Estimate 2031. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $3.01 in 2031. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $3.58 with the typical exchanging cost of $3.12 all through 2031. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Algo, in 2032 the cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at least degree of $4.41. The Algo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5.1 with the typical exchanging cost of $4.53. Algorand Value Expectation 2033. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $6.66 in 2033. The Algorand cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $7.78 with the typical exchanging cost of $6.85 all through 2033. Algorand Value Figure 2040. The reception and certifiable use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with down-to-earth applications and broad reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Algorand cost figure for 2040, Algo is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $132.68 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Algo coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $109.20, while the typical cost of the Algorand for 2040 is projected to be $107.21. Algo Value Gauge for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is urgent, however feeling can be flighty. Analyzing current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of Algorand is supposed to reach $184.98, with a typical exchanging worth of $171.08. The base cost is projected to be around $161.50. Algorand Value Estimate Facts. What amount does Algorand cost in 2025? The cost of Algorand will increment as additional financial backers engage in the venture. In year 2025, Algorand will be worth about a normal cost of $P or 347. What is the Algorand cost today? Today, Algorand Algo is exchanging at $0.18 and 60 with the market cap of $1,518,755,674,000. Is Algorand Algo a wise speculation? Algorand's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as